Here are some of the cords for my computer, for my cell phone and iPod and such. What I'm going to do is go through this pile and take out the ones I use the most and make labels for them. So what I'm going to do is make some wooden labels, and these wooden labels have another feature. They'll be able to lock onto my computer desk or wherever else I need them. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I have 3 of the cable locks ready. 1, 2, 3. And they run smoothly, freely in the hole. And now I can mark them. And the other thing I can do is add this lock. This is a cable lock. And I can run this through the holes. And now I can lock it on my computer desk or anywhere I need to, so I never lose my cables ever again. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you soon.